Hello guys, I just purchased this mini Bratz Series 1 flashback minis from Walmart for $5.69. And we're going to be opening this, so let's get started. Alright, I think we're going to pull this lever down. Alright, and let's go remove this wrapper. Alright, let's remove this part real quick. Alright, we got that removed, so let's open this now. That is pretty nice. Looks like there's two parts, so let's open these bags. Alright, let's open this. We got... She is so pretty! Oh my god, she's adorable. And these can open. So these are the Bratz dolls.